Right, here we have the 1by1 waterproof Bluetooth speaker. It's quite a smart looking thing, this. It's quite a heavy box, which I like. It's got a 1400 milliamp hour battery in it, so should be up to about 6-7 hours of constant play. And a rating, waterproof rating of IPX6, which means basically it can withstand dust and water being splashed on it, even onto the charging port, etc. So let's have a look inside and see what it's like. Oh, that's very nice. Hello. And that's really nice. Let's have a look inside, see what else we've got in the box. Oh, there's more. Yep, that's everything. Okay, so nice instruction manual there. Quite basic. You got a carabiner, so you can. There you go. There we go. You can hang that where you want, in the shower or wherever. USB charging cable, micro USB. Let's get rid of the hello. And a small circular cardboard bit in the bin. Okay, so around the actual device itself, you've obviously got the speaker grill here, nice little silver rivets, and it's a real rubbery feel, so which is makes it feel quite nice actually. Underneath here you've got a micro SD card slot and a micro USB charging socket. Pop that in. Is it going to go in? Yeah. And on the side here you've got a little telephone symbol, which I'm assuming is for answering and rejecting calls, a mode button to change to micro SD. I don't think this has got a an auxiliary input, so it's just Bluetooth or micro SD. Play and pause, and this is back and forward for the tracks, and up and down for the volume. So there we go, nice little speaker, good weight to it, feels solid. Hopefully it sounds as good as it looks. So I'm going to feed back below exactly what I thought of it, and then I'll let you know how it all goes. Thanks.